Closing sales transactions lesson from solving a Rubik's Cube. Mastering the art of closing sales transaction can be strongly allied to solving a Rubik's Cube, a seemingly complex challenge that, when approached methodically, transforms into an elegant and satisfying solution. Both processes demand not just effort, but strategic thinking, adaptability, and an unwavering focus on alignment and progress. Both closing sales transaction and solving a Rubik's cubes require strategy, patience, and the ability to align multiple moving parts to achieve success. Let's explore how each stage of solving the cube reflects important principles in closing a sales transaction. Number 1. Solving Rubik's Cube's base. The white cross is symbolized building the foundation, building trust, establishing rapport, understanding client needs, and creating trust. This is where you set the groundwork for the transaction. Just like the base of the Rubik's Cubes provides stability for subsequent moves, a solid foundation in sales ensures smoother progression. A strong foundation lead to sustainable results. Without trust and understanding, even the best strategy can crumble. Take notes during this stage to document your client's key concern and preferences. This record will guide your strategy and ensure you don't miss crucial details later in the process. Example, during an initial meeting with a client, you can actively listen to their vision for a family home, addressing concern about location, budget, and financing. By showing empathy and knowledge, you create a solid starting point for collaboration. Number 2, the Rubik's Cube first layer, aligning white corners, symbolize aligning interests. Aligning the client's needs with the value your product offers. This step ensures that your solution fits their situation. The first layer set the tone for collaboration and mutual understanding, which are critical for moving forward. Alignment is key. Progress is easier when all parties are on the same page. You can use visuals such as floor plan or community maps to help client envision how the property aligns with their lifestyle. This creates a deeper emotional connection. Example, you present a house package tailored to the client's family size and budget, emphasizing features like proximity to schools, a safe community, and affordability, showing how it meets their lifestyle goals. Number 3. Rubik's Cube second layer, solving the middle edges. Symbolize overcoming objections. Addressing and resolving any objection or doubts the client may have. Objections are natural in any transaction. Skillfully addressing them builds confidence and credibility. Challenges are opportunities to showcase your expertise and commitment. In this stage, you can validate the client's objection before addressing them. For instance, say, I understand why that might be a concern before presenting a solution. This shows empathy and builds trust. For example, a client hesitates due to uncertainties about financing. You reassure them by detailing the flexibility of Pag-ibig loan terms and explaining how monthly payment fit within their budget. By providing a clear plan, you ease their concerns. Number 4, the Rubik's Cube's top cross-section, yellow cross, symbolize securing commitment, gaining a verbal agreement or commitment from the client to proceed. This step signifies the transition from interest to intention. It's the first sign of closing the deal. Small wins pave the way for big achievement. Celebrate progress but remain focused. Reinforce their decision by summarizing their needs and how the solution meets them. This reassures clients they are making the right choice. Example, after walking the clients through the benefits and investment potential of the property, they express their intention to reserve the unit. You confirm the next step for the reservation process, ensuring mutual understanding. Number 5, the Rubik's Cube third layer, aligning yellow corners, symbolize finalizing details. Ensuring all terms, conditions, and paperwork are clearly communicated and agreed upon. Precision and clarity at this stage prevent misunderstandings and build long-term trust. The danger is in the details. Thoroughness and transparency lead to lasting relationship. Provide a checklist of items the client needs to bring or prepare, such as IDs, proof of income, and reservation fee. This keeps the process smooth and professional. Example, you schedule a meeting to review the contract, highlighting essential clauses such as timeline for transferring ownership and inclusion like landscaping or additional features, ensuring the client feels fully informed. Number 6, the Rubik's Cube's final steps, solving the upper four corners, symbolizing closing the deal. Executing the final steps, such as signing documents, collecting payment, and officially closing the transaction. This is the culmination of all your efforts. A seamless closing experience leaves a positive impression. Finish strong. The final impression often determines how people remember the experience. Follow up after the closing to check the client's satisfaction and address any questions. This builds goodwill and opens the door for referrals. Example, once the documents are signed, you present the client with a personalized welcome kit. Thank them for their trust and outline the next steps such as move-in schedule. This gesture ensure a memorable closing. In summary, solving Rubik's Cube teaches us that success is about strategic alignment, patience, and persistence. Similarly, closing a sales transaction requires building trust, overcoming challenges, and executing with precision. Just as every twist of the cube must align with the overall solution, every step in the sales process must move you closer to a win-win outcome. By treating each stage as a step in solving puzzle, you can approach sales with clarity and confidence, ensuring both you and your clients achieve and satisfying outcome. Take the challenge today, whether it's solving Rubik's Cube or closing your next sales transaction. Approach is with strategy, patience, and focus. Each twist and turn, each conversation and step is a move toward achieving the perfect alignment. Sharpen your skills, embrace the process, and create solutions that leave a lasting impression. The cube and your success are in your hands. Here is a powerful perspective of solving Rubik's Cube and closing sales transaction. The Rubik's Cubes with a colorful complexities symbolize the journey of closing high-ticket sales. As you twist and turn through challenges, remember that every move contributes to final picture. It may seem daunting, but with focus, adaptability, and persistence, even the most intricate puzzles can be solved. And just like the joy of solving the cube, closing a sales brings a sense of achievement and reflects your hard work and skills. Success is not just about reaching the goal, but mastering process that gets you there.